Yeah, good morning, students. E. Mohan Raj, Assistant Professor, Department of Management Studies, SNS College of Technology. The case study. Today topic is related to financial concept. Can you find out what is the topic about a today case study with the help of this two image? The first one is there is a finance, and the second one there is an image is with Vadivel sir. It's a very famous movie and famous dialogue that is related to management concept, the management concept or management process, the planning. எது பண்றதா இருந்தாலும் பிளான் பண்ணி பண்ணணும். Okay, the today topic is related to financial planning. Okay, let me see what is mean by a financial planning. In the management, in the financial management, there is very important two concept. One is source of fund and another one is utilization of fund. Both the concept are very important in the financial management. In the financial planning also, source of fund plus utilization of fund is equal to financial planning. The source of fund means the availability of the fund to start a business or to develop the business. Utilization of fund means it is nothing but we are utilizing the fund in proper way to every individual department or every individual activity. This is a case that today we are discussing. Floppy Limited is engaged in the business of export of garments. In the past, the performance of the company had been up to the expectation. In line with the latest technology, the company decided to upgrade its mission. For this, the financial manager want to planning. The financial manager name is Vimal, estimated the amount of fund is required and the timings. This will be help the company in linking the investment and the financial decisions on a continued basis. The Vimal therefore is began with the preparation of the sales forecast for the next 4 years. He also collected the relevant data about the profit estimated in the coming year. By doing this, he want to be sure about the availability of the fund from the internal sources of the business, and for the remaining fund he is trying to find out the alternative sources from outside. Yeah, justify the financial concept discussed in the above para. Also state the objectives to be achieved by the use of financial concept. So identify, and but the company after the 4 years it will be in a big loss. Can you find out what is the reason it should be behind? Okay, for example, the financial manager, the company is in a floppy garments. They are earning some of the profit by manufacturing some garments, and they are selling and they are earning a profit. With the help of the profit, they are going for an future development of future development by upgrading the machineries to the next level. And the financial manager, they are first, he is a planning, he is in a planning and he is in a forecasting, the he is preparing the future profit by increasing production and all. For example, when we are upgrading the machineries, we can increase our profitability of the company by increasing the more production. With the help of the more production, they will be increase the sales turnover. If the sales turnover will be increased, they will be get the profit. And he is an analyzing what is the profit will be in the future, when we have upgrading the machineries. He is submitting the sales forecasting to the top management. Yeah, the first, he is an he is preparing the financial statement. When the production is increased, the sales also will be increased. If the sales is increased, they will be getting a more profit in future. Then if we want to upgrade the machineries, means definitely we need some money. Definitely we need some money. In India, usually the most of the companies, they won't go for a high cost of investment of machineries, because we will be get the very cheaper labor cost. Usually they will be recruit a lot of labors for reducing the investment of the machineries. But here the companies want to go for their next level to increasing their machineries qualities and the quantities. They want to go for the future investment in the asset, and the company is planning for source of finance in two way. One is internal and external. The company is using the both source of finance, internal source and external source. Maybe the internal sources, they are planning for 30, and the external will be 40. And the external is 40, is the company is planning for debentures. Definitely if the company is going for a debentures, definitely the company will be have more risk, because whether the company is earning a profit or loss, we want to pay the fixed percentage of interest to the debentures. Then the ratio also is more, because they have 30 percentage of source of finance from internal, and the external source of finance is 70 percentage, and the 70 percentage is by the debentures. The definitely the company will be in a more risk. Usually the percentage is 60 should be in a external sources, and the 40 should be in the internal sources. And the external sources, the company, the better they can go for an issuing by the share, because if the company is earning a profit, they can be distribute the dividend to the shareholders. But when the company is going with the debentures, definitely the company will be meet a big loss, because whether the company is earning a profit or loss, they want to pay fixed percentage of interest. Here the Vimal is took some wrong decision by choosing the external sources of finance. Definitely if the company is upgrading the machinery, definitely they will be get the profit, there is no doubt. Okay, whatever he is find out the future profit, everything is right, but he is failed in the choosing the source of finance. Most of the company, they are calculating the profit, and they are that and all is everything is right, but when they choosing the source of finance, they are making the big mistakes, and finally the company is going into a risk. Okay, this is a case study today we are discussed. Thank you, my dear students.